Hello, I'm Michael with some regional geology of Minnesota and Wisconsin, and I will be talking today about the Mid-Continent Rift. By now you should be familiar with plate boundaries, and in this case divergent boundaries. As pressure builds under a landmass, it begins to thin and pull apart the earth above it. The weight of the land cannot be supported, it sinks, and a valley is created. Over time, the trench will widen and will likely be inundated with water. You can view prime rifting the next time you're in northeastern Ethiopia. This is Ale, a lava lake along the East African Rift. Or the next time you visit Iceland. Here, the rift is tearing the country nearly in half. This creates downdrop blocks, as seen in the valleys in this illustration, and when infiltrated with water, can result in beautiful underwater trenches. Normal faults are caused by extension of Earth's surface, and the point in which they break is referred to as a fault. The right side of the picture has drop below due to this extension. A reverse fault, however, occurs during compression of the strata, causing the hanging wall to be pushed above the footwall. When there happens to be a series of normal and reverse faults, we describe them as horse and graben topography. As you can see, the raised mass is referred to as the horse, downdrop pieces a graben. 1.1 billion years ago, what we know as Minnesota and Wisconsin witnessed the same processes, resulting in what we call the Mid-Continent Rift that stretched from Michigan up through where Lake Superior is now, to southern Ontario, through the southern edge of Minnesota's Arrowhead, and part of northwestern Wisconsin, down to Iowa with pieces in Nebraska and Kansas. The rifting caused tremendous pressure to build up and as a result reactivated the Douglas Fault from a normal to a reverse fault, which you can see in the falls at Amnicon State Park in Wisconsin. The falls are created by a horse composed of basalt, and at the bottom of the falls orient to sandstone. This is a picture of Now and Then Falls at Amnicon. These same processes created Gooseberry Falls in Silver Creek Township near Two Harbors, Minnesota. Here is an image that should allow you to grasp where the rifting fits in with the rest of the North American continent. Thank you for listening, and I hope this helped with your understanding of the Mid-Continent Rift in Minnesota and Wisconsin.